Okay everyone, so in this Shopify Simple theme tutorial, part number 5, we're gonna learn how you can add an announcement bar at the top of your Shopify store. Alright, so let's go to part number 5. Okay, so in this Shopify Simple theme tutorial, part 5, we're gonna learn how you can add an announcement bar right here at the top. So to come to customize theme, just go to your backend, click on Online Store, click on Themes, then Customize. Okay, then click on Header. Go down to Announcement Bar. So click on Show Announcement Bar. Now you can choose Homepage only or everywhere on the store. I want to have this shown everywhere, so I'm gonna uncheck this one. Okay, so just add an announcement text. So here you can add free shipping offer, 10% offer, or just customer service number, things like that. So let's say we want to have free shipping for orders above $50. Okay, so then we can click on announcement link. So you can have this to products, to information page, a blog, whatever you want, collection. Maybe have a special discount for a special collection. So in this case, I'm gonna choose all products. Just click on all products. Okay. So when you are satisfied, just click on save. When your customers click on this one, free shipping, they will come to all products. Or if you have added another link to a page or blog post and things like that. Okay everyone, so this is how you can add an announcement bar on your Shopify store in the Simple theme. Let's go to part number 6. Okay everyone, so I hope you now have an awesome announcement bar with a great message for your visitors. Alright? If you haven't subscribed already, just click on this image and let's go to part number 6. Just click on this image. Alright, so I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.